Hey guys, it's a short review of Zanmax 3101 multi-tool. It's 13 in 1. What I can say about this tool? Definitely it's worth the price, less than $10. If you are supposed to pay more than this, I would consider it as not necessary cost. The cons of this multi-tool is that we have no screwdriver in it. The mechanisms are quite hard to open and close. And there's one more thing, I will try to show you this. As you can see, the fingerprints and some scratches on the surface of the blade are visible even if the tool is new and not used. So if you want to have very clean tool, not this one. What is the good thing about Zanmax 3101 is that this tool is basically very handy. Yeah, you can see that it fits to the hand. It feels very heavy in the hand, so I assume that materials used are very good. And the plastic around the multi-tool, it's maybe it's not very good one, but it's very handy. It's not slipping from the hand. To finish this review, I recommend to buy this, but for less than $10. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.